Hello everyone, welcome back to Taurus Wealth. Today we will be refilling our cash drawer, and also we will be stuffing two of our binders for Make It Happen $20 Mondays. So first we are going to stuff our cash drawer. So here leaves about $200. Looks like we're all not gonna fit. And here we have the remaining. We have our 20s. We're gonna stick it here. And we're missing a clip here. They sent me a broke one, but we're still using it. Still using it. And $5 in there. So now our cash drawer. Now our cash drawer is full. So for $20 Make It Happen Mondays, we will be stuffing our remodel binder, which is this yellow one here. And let's see here. So we're going to start with floors. Well, let me move this around. This cash drawer here. Okay, so now we're going to start with our floors. Next one is yard. Next one is garage. And our kitchen. The nice thing about cash stuffing is, as the weeks go by and you balance your cash sheet out and everything, you really get to see your progress. Roof. Home decor. Greenhouse. And I currently don't have an amount in mind. I'm just going to keep saving it until I'm ready. Fence. Electricity. Porch. Bathroom one. Oh, I believe this is, yeah, bathroom 2. Plumbing. And that is it for our remodel binder. Okay, so let's see. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. So we have 13 cash envelopes. We put 20 in each one. We currently stuffed $260. Okay, now we're done with that for model binder. Now we're gonna do this gray binder, and this one is when needed. So this is cash stuffing for when it's needed. So we have the money there. So we have a copay, which is gonna get $20 for Make It Happen Mondays. And it currently has $1 in there, so 21. Prescription. Vision. And car repairs. And we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and we stuffed 20 in each one, so that is $80 for a total cash stuffing today of $340 for Make It Happen Mondays. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.